Hi there and welcome to, well, what's the main showroom here at HWM Aston Martin here in Walton-on-Thames. I wanted to spend a few minutes today, if I could, showing you around this beautiful China Grey Vantage. Now, China Grey is a colour that's been with us probably for about 7 or 8 years. It's a really striking colour and it kind of has a matte finish to it. Definitely would recommend a PPF to look after the China Grey paint, but it just looks lovely. Let me talk to you a little bit about this car and the spec and show you why I think it just looks stunning. So aside from the China Grey paint, got things like the exterior black pack around the car, so the front and the side skirts and the rear diffuser as well as the black bonnet meshes, which is a really nice touch. Also has the 10-spoke directional alloy wheels that are diamond turned. Coming round to back of the car again, the rear, part of the rear diffuser that I spoke about earlier on, black pack, and the quad exhaust system, which sounds incredible. That exhaust note is also interchangeable inside the cabin as well, so you can select different driving modes from Sport to Sport Plus to Track to give you different driving modes whilst you're out and about. So coming round to the vehicle again, you can then see the exterior black pack again on this side of the car. These black surrounds, which kind of make it look like the roof's floating a little bit. So let's take a few minutes to show you inside the spec of this car. It's a really nice space to be, and hopefully I'll be able to show you why. When we were speccing this car, we deliberately have put a mixture together of Alcantara and leather across the seats. So it has the sport seats with the 16-way adjustment, combination of leather and Alcantara, and that's followed through as well on the door card on the driver's and the passenger's door. So again, a mixture of Alcantara and leather. Another nice feature is it has the heavyweight carpet, which just helps to insulate the inside of the car and gives it a more kind of luxurious feel when you're stepping into it. The Alcantara theme is also continued when it sweeps up the dashboard and actually covers the whole dash right up to where it meets the windscreen at the end of the A-pillar. Other options within this car are things like nice touches like glass switches and the Aston Martin premium audio system. It's just a really nice spec without kind of going too mad on personalisation, but it's just an example of showing how the car can be specced without going bonkers. You'll also notice that this car has the meshed grille, or what was called the kind of hunter grille. And again, when you're ordering from the factory, this grille now can be changed from the traditional veined grille, or you can have the hunter mesh grille, which this car has. Well, look, it was just a brief overview to show you around this car, which is available now at HWM here in Walton-on-Thames. Please don't forget to rate and subscribe in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Please do get in touch if we can do anything for you. Thanks very much for watching.